How to place an order on Temu. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First step is download and open the Temu app. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store in iOS or Google Play Store in Android. Open the Temu app on your mobile device. If you already have a Temu account, then you can sign in using an email or phone number. But if you don't, then you can use sign up and create an account. After that, on the home page, you can browse through categories, search for specific products, or explore recommendations. Once you find the product or simply any product you want, then all you have to do is tap on it and tap on the product to view details like price, size, color, and availability. And after selecting your preferred size, color, or variant, you can simply tap on the Add to Cart option available in the bottom. After you tap on the Add to Cart, you can continue shopping and add more items to your cart or proceed with the current item only. Now go back to the home page and tap the shopping cart icon located at the bottom of the screen to view your cart. Review the items, ensure the quantities and options are correct, and apply any discount codes or promo offers you might have. Once you are ready to place your order, tap on the checkout and provide your shipping address or select a saved address if you have already used Temu before. Review and confirm that your address is correct and choose your preferred payment method. And after selecting your payment method and entering any necessary payment information, you can review your order details and place an order. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.